na yehun say about 2016 no actors nyomtofo both gospel and secular for and the non-celebrators non-famous amno munjidi amno majidi ni nanu edwo ho ebo ho ehia for sebe edwo ho eka ho ekoto aba eduma MPP amemo no na abusia we any second time MPP amemo no under the government of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ekofo Addo and the government under ye washu na 2020 asaso ekoto aba na ndro na nim se beto e de ama NDC na so we die e da ne esando koma MPP Ebusia aha attention TV cinema kwaba ebaso social media trends ana me de beso mo attention TV so ebusia we say na say mu itema ekoso pa Ghana ma mu say ko social media so and then na emu odin ye tisi abontin so na den kofo ebo ho adwen sa enfie bi a etwemu 2014 before 2014 and as 2016 MPP amemo ebeje akonya edetena so no na kamya koyese Ghana for yedede bi se na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ebetena akonya so asesika ebusu na so still Ghana memu ha sei ayedin ama na utopia takra unya bi enti I would say a change of government and enti Ghana for binimo kwa adwunkrom and ye we ya na we I would say you change government yenim se Ghana memu ha sei so amemu a eteso ene MPP ene NDC New Patriotic Party and the Democratic Congress Party enti abusia for kamya koyese na Ghana for bebre na won so won kwa adwunkrom no edwen say ye what third party bi so e Ghana mem ha say won so e compete with two parties yegum anas PPP abusia for na 2016 Ghana for ekoto ba na enedi abano e de come the New Patriotic Party because yes say NDC the government of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ana Ghana memo ha say ayeden de ne de we say asa government mu e de ko MPP amemo pese nim se before ana onu so ebegina ma MPP na so ne de ma man no ekoye papa ye be kai akufo development bia o ye no still e da so e wo ba ye use anti nim se MPP for there say ye to abama o nko ade a bibia ebetodi na ebusia kame akoye se Ghana for ednu ho papa ye se odo ho ekodom New Patriotic Party na ye hu se about 2016 no actors nyomtofo both gospel and secular for and the non-celebrators non-famous amno munjidi amno majidi ni nanu edwo ho ebo ho ehia for sebe edwo ho eka ho ekoto aba eduma MPP amemo no na abusia we any second time MPP amemo no under the government of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ekofo Addo and the government under ye washu na 2020 asaso ekoto aba na ndro na nim se beto e de ama NDC na so we die e da ne esando koma MPP the government of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ekofo Addo na government start kamia koyeste onya enduru enim enso bibia ebo yedin e wo Ghana mu hase Ghana for bebre mu kira kamia koyeste MPP amemo yede yeni eto won so no enye sakra ana woye se ebeka His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ekofo Addo ni manifesto de beto dwa na ni de nyimu kura ana woye eba no free education ni de wo ya de papa e wo hodom na so eba ni puntuduma ene se yenima bi ebe kokofom ama yin na ye ho ato ye de nye ho kura ana na adwen ededa ye hu se ye call NDC party no so a ye wo celebrities and actors and actresses nim to force won so obo NDC amemo ne echibako ene John Dumelo ye Ghana ba ofi Volta region ene de Ghana memo ha say no ansa na ye hu John Dumelo no na sinitwemo ana na ye hu na chese de sinitwa ana na ye na dwuma awa Ghana memo ha say ma Ghana fo na ebeji tu mu se abranti ebon humode papa ye sinitwemo and do baby crack John Dumelo any movie man ko fu bre anti action na enche ye bia na John Dumelo an announcement by say there or the no ho akodoma NPC amemu a he say opese politician na nya bia no opese ye MP e de money party na you say John Dumelo ekugina e de ma MP so koye amfama no ye hope say next time no e be koye e de amano na we ana won say a party a no so ye kon party ba ko de oye de ya ense baba now so ye nya nkrofo won kasa wo MPP amemu mo ye celebrities a wo kire mo a kire say Ghana memo under the government of His Excellency and another danko Ekufuado ayade papa yi esne class ne abo na we ana John Dumelo enso e dia koto ne trader wallpaper so eso e kire say kam ya koye say Ghana memo ha say bibiara ye din eba edwane ye din eba transport ne bo ye din now so ade bako a enkosoro any salaries na we anoxin no etro. Some people's whole monthly salary is just used for food at work and transport back home. Everything is going up except salaries. Now on your chima, kamya kwa yese ejuma afofo anase ankonam eye eduma ejuma penibi and ejuma kobino. Life ekosro na edwane bo ekosro no. Omo de salaries no anase sika ye tua workers no sheda enkosro. Na ibu say ba ko kan comment ni bia Ghana fo binim ehu tweet ha won so wode won adwentwe ebetu dwa we the more say not only in Ghana but here in the US too inflation is high but no increase in salaries. The world is doomed. Ewusia for ye be kai so ya Ghana fo bebre so kasa wo kire mo say Ghana memu ha ye de papa na so enye Ghana memu ha ye anko a amano ne bebre hono mo so nyama bo ayede we as I say where is the lie? It's God, because if not, same in every country. It is happening everywhere in Germany. Ways to say, so has not increased as ginger farmers their salaries. So I would say if they said or develop so you be a way of war or no, I can drink come in a back of talk. Now you go so bare 5 minutes and see if you need France, I better watch you. Or the way the portable. And the auto ya na wodi we dwada we ana obi etire ma kire ka me kwaye se nyama bo ye de so John Dumelo se na se ma wo kai de ono so onto ne work salary no eye rent can we get a government who will look at this a little savings after years of work goes into rent. But say this one day 100% agree with him. It's so sad. This is the sad part of the whole thing. We, as I said, it is sad, Charlie. If you don't have a side hustle, then you are dead. If it's not only Ghana, that is everything is going up everywhere in the world. So no one should blame the government. We, the individual, should know how to manage. See how beer bars get full when weekend comes, yet still crying. We need solution. He is not telling lies. People will still stay on TV and say they are breaking the 8. Oh no, this is okay. We see politics aside, that is the truth. Share that oneself. You have to add a quick loan. We say this economic crisis is going on in the whole world. Cost of living is high, but salaries remain the same. Testing from USA. The US is facing inflation as well. It isn't just Ghana. This is absolutely true. I am on this table. I have been working for the past 8 months now, but trust me when I say I haven't even saved 1 peso in poor. Feeding alone will finish the money before the month ends. This is sad. Sad truth. The government has to build affordable housing in order to avoid paying outrageous rent. It's everywhere except salaries and height of the president. So this so is everywhere. We are buying $200 of groceries every week. It's not in Ghana alone. We have it here in Germany too. It's everywhere in the world, not just in Ghana. Times are hard. What's the alternative? How would he solve this given the same resources and the information available? Will he just increase salaries? Complaining is not easy. Solutions are not. Obviously, for Ghana for binumu adwencha wode ebeto John Dumelo post a wo yes say e kamya ko yes anya we no e kosoro wo Ghana mem ha say na so ansana individual be ebeji ni pay at the end of the month no na ni na akogo rent any car we be kwajuma any edidie mu eno nti government no any bi e wo ho na we ana commentators for bi wo chiri mu ene ka na memo ha senko a ana ifa me akoye se ayede papa ye Germany any US crash e ka ho ebusia ensem social media trends we e wo Twitter ana mo de beso mo e wo attention TV so na ka wo se University aye kwado se wo ji wa ye de friend no 0548302985 bakra yes